Welcome students. Science is very interesting if we can learn it in a systematic way. Today's lesson is periodic table. My endeavor is to present the content in a very simple way so that you can understand and memorize the matter very easily. Total we have 118 elements. Out of these 118 elements, 94 elements are found naturally on earth and 24 elements are synthetic elements. Now, a tabular arrangement of elements. A tabular arrangement of all these 118 elements in groups, that is vertical columns, and periods, that means horizontal rows, highlighting the regular trends in properties of elements is called a periodic table. We have 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as period. Now, here I have written group in the left hand side and in the right hand side I have written period. We have 18 vertical columns, that means 18 groups. Group number 1, group number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So these are the 18 groups. And here in the right hand side we have 7 period. Period number 1, period number 2, period number 3, period number 4, period number 5, period number 6 and period number 7. Now period number 1, which is also known as 1A, this is Roman 1A, consisting of alkali metal. Now alkali metal when react with water give rise to alkali. Group number 2, also known as 2A, consists of alkaline earth metal. This alkaline earth metal when react with water give rise to weak alkali. Group number 3, also known as 3B, 4 known as 4B, 5 known as 5B, 6 known as 6B, 7 known as 7B, 8, 9, 10 known as 8, 11 and 12 known as 1B and 2B, consisting of transition element. Now transition elements have their 2 outermost shell incomplete. For example, Cr means chromium, whose atomic number is 24. The electronic configuration of chromium is 2886. That means the first shell consisting of 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, third shell again 8 electron and the fourth shell 6 electron. Now these first 2 shell 2 and 8 are complete, whereas the third and the fourth shell consisting of 8 and 6 electrons are incomplete. Next we are coming to group 13. Group 13 or 3A consisting of boron family, group 14 or 4A consisting of carbon family, group 15 or 5A consisting of nitrogen family, group 16 is very important, 6A consisting of oxygen family, which are also known as chalcogens. Chalcogens means ore formers. Group 17, another name is 7A, consisting of halogen, which are basically they form salts. And group 18, that is the zero group, consisting of noble or inert gas. Their outermost orbit is complete. Complete means either duplet in case of helium, that means 2 electron, or octet, that means 8 electron in the outermost shell. Now this is all about groups. Now we are coming to period. Period number 1 is the shortest period consisting of 2 elements. Period number 2 and 3, short period consisting of 8 elements each. Now, period number 3 consisting of 8 elements. These 8 elements are known as typical elements. Now, what are the typical elements? One is Na, that is sodium. Next one is Mg, magnesium. Then Al, aluminium. Si, silicon. P, phosphorus. S, sulfur. And Cl is chlorine. Period number 4 and 5, long elements, each consisting of 18 elements. Period number 6 is the longest, consisting of 32 elements. Now, in period number 6, we have lanthanides. Very, very important. Atomic number 57, starting from lanthanum to atomic number 71. They are basically rare earth elements. And period number 7 is an incomplete period. They consist of actinides. They are basically radioactive element, starting from atomic number 89 to atomic number 103. Atomic number 89 is actinides. Now, one thing I must tell you, these period number 6 and period number 7, one thing you have to remember, group 3, period number 6, consisting of lanthanides. This you have to memorize. And another thing, group 3, period number 7, consisting of actinides. This you have to remember. Group 1, group 2, group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These are all in green circles. Now here in group 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, we have representative elements whose outermost shell is incomplete.